Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect your 8BitDo Pro 2 controller to a PS4 or PS5. First, take your 8BitDo Pro 2 controller and look at the switch on the back. You need to set this switch to S mode, which stands for switch mode. This is important because it allows the controller to work correctly with the adapter. Next, plug in your 8BitDo USB wireless adapter 2 into one of the USB ports on your PS4 or PS5. Once it is plugged in, you should see a small LED light on the adapter. Now, press the button on the side of the USB adapter. When you press it, the LED light will start blinking rapidly. This means the adapter is now in pairing mode and ready to connect. After that, turn on your controller. Then press and hold the small pair button located on the top of the controller. Keep holding it until you see the LED lights on the controller start blinking. This shows the controller is also in pairing mode. Wait a few seconds while the adapter and the controller find each other. When the connection is successful, the blinking lights on both the adapter and the controller will stop and turn solid. This means your controller is now connected and ready to use. Thanks for watching.